Hello guys, welcome back to the business. Yes, finally the hurricane all gone, and we survived without any major damages. So yeah, back to the business. I'm going to start to do the follow-up on the muffler. There's gonna be, I think, the most difficult part of the muffler, the end. Yeah, because that's supposed to be first. Good looking, fit perfectly on that end, so I'm able to attach with the rivet. So I can put together completely, and then I just can't wait to fire it up and just hear it, how it sounds. I really hope going to sounds good, and hopefully guys who's going to buy it, that's gonna be really happy with it, because yeah, this is absolutely a unique muffler. And not just the point it's unique, just because I saw many, and even though the muffler looks good, but sounds crappy, sounds not at all how the biggest engine like this should sound. So I really hope I give with this I give that perfect size, the inside diameter, and also the hose means a lot, how big the hose is. And this is, I believe this is 3mm hose. So this when I built several back in Hungary, that I used to use the 3mm perforated tube. And yes, so I'm really hope sounds that what I was hoping for. So yeah, so anyway, I'm stop talking and enjoy the video, guys. Yes, okay guys, almost done, almost ready, and soon I'm going to fire up and see how's the beast going to sound with this. I just welded on this mounting point. All I'm gonna do, I think I'm going to go with 6 rivets, 3 in the top, 3 in the bottom, try to figure out some kind of nice pattern, and then remove the cap, fill up completely with the filling, and put it together, rivet it back, use a rivet. I'm going to use stainless steel rivet also. I was trying to use smaller one, but I couldn't find. I think I'm going to use 316 stainless steel rivets. Yeah, so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fill it up, install on the bike, put together the wiring, everything, and just gonna fire it up because I'm really curious. Yeah, so stay with me. Well guys, yes, I just put it back to the lift and I'm very happy, very happy. Sounds amazing, really sounds amazing. I really hope the mic will give basically the closest sound what it was sound, because I think the previous videos, the previous systems, the previous exhaust, I think I all made those with foam, even though those have a good microphone, but still not give the best sound back how it's supposed to. So this one I really hope give the best so you guys can hear it, but sounds amazing, I love it, and now I'm just going to just pop a beer and go home. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and finish up the little touch-ups at the end cap, and also I'm going to put a logo on it and good to go. So yes, I'm really happy, and yes, if you guys like this video, please hit the like, and if you like also what I'm doing, yes, please subscribe and see you in my next video. Peace.